Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we'll be discussing punctuation. I would like to read the following sentences. You will identify the difference. By whom was this jug broken? By whom was this jug broken? Well, the second sentence is more meaningful than the first one. The second sentence is meaningfully conveyed. Therefore, in English, in order to convey a sentence more meaningfully, we use punctuation. These are the following punctuations we'll be discussing about. They are full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, and exclamation mark. Well, what is a full stop? A full stop represents the greatest pause and separation. For example, in a declarative sentence or an imperative sentence, you use full stop. That is, to convey facts, you use full stop. Look at the following example. He will waste his time. That is certain. This is a fact that you are conveying and therefore you use full stop. Next one is comma. Example, England, France and Italy formed an alliance. What is a comma? A comma represents the shortest pause. So here after England you pause. Therefore you use a comma. England, France and Italy formed an alliance. This comma makes the sentence more meaningful. The next one is semicolon. What is a semicolon? A semicolon represents a pause of greater importance than shown by comma. For example, he was a brave, large-hearted man and a victim. Here you've used comma and here you use semicolon because you are emphasizing this point. He was brave, large-hearted man and a victim. In order to emphasize something, you use semicolon. The next one is colon. What is a colon? A colon is a more complete pause than expressed by a semicolon. For example, Bacon says reading is a good habit. So here you've used colon. Colon is also used before enumeration and examples. For this, see, I've already used colon in every sentence after the word example. Have you noticed that? Therefore, colon is also used in enumeration and examples. Next, the question mark. Read this sentence. Have you written your exercise? If you convey it this way, have you written your exercise? It is not meaningful. It does not make the receiver understand that you are questioning him or her. Therefore, have you written your exercise? When you add question mark here, the sentence is conveyed meaningfully. The next one is exclamation mark. What a terrible fire this is. When you are exclaiming about a certain event, you use exclamation mark. What a terrible fire this is. This is not meaningful. But when you add exclamation mark, you would read it this way. What a terrible fire this is. Therefore, you use exclamation mark. The next one is inverted commas. They are used to enclose the exact words of a speaker or a quotation. I would rather die, he exclaimed. So, I would rather die is a dialogue said by a particular person, by a subject. Therefore, you write it under inverted commas. The next one is dash. Friends, relatives, companions all deserted him. Well, a dash is used to indicate an abrupt stop or change of thought and also to resume a scattered object. For example, here you are talking about group of people and you are also resuming a scattered subject. Therefore, you use dash. The next one is hyphen. Hyphen is a shorter line than dash and it usually connects compound words. For example, kind is a word that can be used separately in a sentence and heart is a word that can be used separately in a sentence. So these are compound words and they are connected together via hyphen. Well, the next one is apostrophe. It is used to omit a letter. For example, don't, ever, I, have. So here, instead of writing the full word as do not, you can use don't. And instead of completely writing the word ever, E-V-E-R, you remove the word V and add apostrophe, ever. That is understood. And I have a knife. Instead of completely writing the word, you say I apostrophe VE. I have a knife. The meaning is conveyed. Thank you.